What's up guys, this is Seawolf. I want to show you guys the Mini VALENCE and some of the reasons that I bought it, which is probably some of the reasons you're wanting to buy it. So first, let's take a look at how it looks on you. So let me show you guys kind of how I carry it. You can see it can be a sling pack, and I'll show you later it can also be carried in different variations. But what I love most about it is you can pull it around and get to all your things really easily through all the pouches. It's very easy to get to, and then when you're ready to go, you just turn it and you're good. So let's get into the inside of it. The first thing I want to show you is kind of the scale. It's almost the exact same size as a MacBook Pro 13-inch. On the outside, there's a couple of features that I really like. You have easy pull tabs for your zippers. You have these handles on both sides. Same thing on the smaller zippers. And then what's really cool is this bag, you can actually configure how the straps are done. So it's ambidextrous if you want to do like a cross strap. If you bought another one of these, you could actually move this to here and make it more like a backpack. So the first zipper going to your back is you have this like mesh that kind of helps with, you know, not getting too hot, but it's definitely not ventilated. The first little slot is going to have your Velcro for like a concealed carry, and there's a Velcro strip in here that you can use kind of like for safety. So that's actually pretty hard to get into on this side. And because I'm right-handed, I have it on this side. The largest zipper goes to the main compartment, and it's a clamshell opening where you have a couple of compartments. I have my Vanquist in here, a Nintendo Switch, Apple Pencil, and it has this cool little pocket where you can put like an iPad. I think you could probably get a 12-inch Mac in here. And both sides have these flaps, so whichever side that you want to access it from, I just flip under to make it easier to put things in and out of. On this side, you could put a piece of paracord between here if you wanted to open it quickly, but it's basically just like a little mesh pouch for maybe like a rain jacket or something like that. I just keep a little carbon fiber, or not carbon fiber, but a little bag, and then my little switch controllers. Then this is really the main compartment, this top part. So you can see you have two smaller zippers. It's also clamshell to make it easy to get to everything. So what I like most about this bag is that it has so many compartments. Compartments for pens, compartments for larger things. So I'll kind of show you what I've put in it just to give you an idea of the scale, but obviously everyone's going to carry different things. So for me, in this first little compartment, I have a little SWAT T tourniquet, the orange ones, an orange lighter, my solar powered battery pack. On this side, because this is really just an everyday carry pouch, I've got several pair of headphones, Apple headphones, normal headphones, USB-C charger, which also has like a little, I can click this off to charge my battery pack, Apple charger, and then just a normal pen. And then I also have like some flash drives, a converter, and then a little thing that lets you plug in like micro SD cards into your iPhone. I have a contractor bag. These are really useful if it starts raining and you forgot your jacket or something, you just want to put it over you or whatever. You need to, you know, put dirty clothes in it, whatever. You can use it for a lot of stuff, shelter. And then a microfiber cloth. Down here I have some earplugs, a small little Leatherman. Mainly the reason I keep this is because it has scissors, because the Leatherman I keep on me, the Signal doesn't. A converter for iPhone to HDMI. And then in this little napkin, I just have like little iodine tablets for water purification. So you can see this is mainly for EDC, but this little section right here I kind of dedicated to like survival or whatever. Then a pen and a pencil. I have my lithium battery, the 18650 battery for my flashlight. And then I have another little stream light in here, just a little pocket light with some like maybe 8 inches of paracord just to make it easy to pull out. And then some Gorilla Tape wrapped around it. Gorilla Tape's really useful. And then the little survival pouch, I have a fire steel. This is just a little Ziploc bag with some quick tenders, some dental floss for like cordage, a little cheapo compass, and some reflective duct tape. And then finally down in here I have a little kind of cheap tourniquet, a little coin that says I can do all things through Christ, and my little brother got me. I thought that'd be cool for like a morale booster if you had to use this survival side. A balloon for like holding water, and then if I had to guess, this is probably 15 feet of fishing line. And then right here, this is kind of the most practical thing. I don't carry. I really would never ever want to have to shoot someone, obviously, but if you did need like a defensive situation, this is non-lethal. So there's a little clip inside our pouch, and what I've done is put a mace on it that has the little clips where you just press in here and you can pull it off, and it has a extremely loud whistle from like the Tops knives that I used to have, and then some mace. Then I have a dual USB charger that you can plug into the wall, and it's 2.4 amps, so it can charge iPads and phones really fast. I have all my bits for my Leatherman. I have just like a little protein bar if I get hungry. Some dude wipes to keep your butt clean. Dude wipes, if you want to ever sponsor a video, just send me like 1,000 of these, that'd be awesome. I have like a New Testament little Bible, and my SAS survival guide. I'm probably about to stop carrying this because it's so big, but it's just tempting because it's so cool. It has a lot of weird stuff in it. It's just fun to read, like plants and how you build shelters and make bow and arrows, just random, really cool, fun stuff. And then finally, I have my Right in the Rain pad. So you guys can see, it's really not a huge pack, but there's so much stuff you can put in it. I really like it because of the versatility of carrying it. And probably one of the main features of buying this, that I really should have said at the beginning, but it doesn't look tactical. This is not like a bag that looks like army stuff, because it's really pretty impractical. You know, you just need something you can carry every day. And if you want to keep some kind of like survival or outdoor stuff, if you're interested in it, you can, but it's really good for carrying iPads and normal people stuff too. So I love this bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and like it, and I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.